Hello, before we get into the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Farhan Gobel, NIM 4502 423045. So guys, my topic is types of rocks. Learning objects. At the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to first identify the different types of rocks, second describe the different types of rock, and third list of example of the rocks. So guys, what are rocks? Rock composition. Rocks are naturally occurring solid substance composed of mineral or organic materials. Rocks play an important role in the study of the earth structure and history. Rocks can vary in terms of their composition, origin, and properties. What are the different types of rocks? First, igneous rocks. This rock form from the cooling and solidification of the molten materials, either magma or lava. Example of igneous rocks include granite, basalt, and rhyolite. Like in the picture rhyolite, you can see. There are three types of igneous rocks formation, namely 1. Intrusive. The rocks are formed on the Earth's surface. This occurs during the cooling process of magma so that large rocks with a rock texture are formed. 2. Extrusive. These rocks are formed from magma eruption and are on the Earth's surface. The stone is small and light, so it bring light, 3. Hypabyssal. This rock is formed due to the process of rising magma in the earth crust, like sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation and compression of sediments, like there are brings from the river, that accumulation and compression. These rocks are often contain fossils. Examples include sandstone, limestone, and shale, like in the picture shale. So there are three types of sedimentary rocks formation, namely, first, classic sedimentary. Classic sedimentary rock is a type of rock that consists of silicate and several rock fragments. So in the classic sedimentary, it's dominant with silicates. Next, biochemical sedimentary. Types of biochemical sedimentary rocks include limestone, coal, etc. etc. Next, sedimentary chemical. Example of chemical sedimentary rocks are rocks that contain evaporites such as siluite, halite, barite, and gypsum. So metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed from pre-existing rocks that have undergone change due to heat or pressure. From the heat or pressure, it make metamorphic rocks. Example of metamorphic rocks include the marble, like pellet. Why are rock important? So why? Important of rocks is different types of rock are very important, guys, because they contribute to our understand of the earth, provide essential research, support various industries, and have cultural and scientific significance. There are four types of metamorphic rocks, namely, first, contact metamorphic. Example of metamorphic rocks are marble, batholite, laccolite, and seal rock. Second, regional metamorphic. Regional metamorphic rocks are a collection of metamorphic rocks that are large and extensive in size. Third, catalytic metamorphic. Fourth, overlapping metamorphic. These are rocks that result of rocks that were buried at very deep depths to achieve drastic temperature change. Yes, thank you. there is example of metamorphic rocks. Like you guys can see, the collection of metamorphic rocks, and batu sabak, philip, sekis, quartzite, milonite, batu tanduk, and other. Okay, I want to explain about the cycles of the rocks. After we learn about the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, we take example about the cycles. So the cycles is for magma into to be the and be a frozen magma, and then the magma turn into an igneous rocks, like what I explained before. Igneous rock is, and after igneous rock it be corrosion and be sedimentary rocks. In it debris into a material sediment and transformed to sedimentary rocks, and got big temperature or pressure. The sedimentary rocks turn into a metamorphic rock and turn into magma again. It all because the temperature and pressure. Thank you. So the conclusion is every rock is a transformation from a magma. Magma turn into a igneous rock from intrusive, extrusive, or hypabyssal, and turn into sedimentary rocks. And sedimentary rocks turn into metamorphic. It all cause of the pressure and the temperature. And every rock have a lot of types. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you guys learned something to know today.